3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned.
Nowadays, smartphones are one of the most important parts of our daily lives. We use it for personal communication, finishing tasks for work, checking social media posts, or even playing your favorite game during lunch break. It almost feels like an extension of ourselves. With traditional charging options, we can't satisfy the battery needs for heavy usage of our smartphones, making us frustrated every time when the phone pops up a low battery notification. We decided to use magnetic adapters for our charging packs as a proper solution. With corresponding magnetic adapters, you can charge any kind of smartphone. The charging pack is only 15 grams weight, which is extremely portable for everyday carry. In 30 minutes, this tiny little pack can give an iPhone 8 a 25% battery boost, so that with 4 of these places in total, your phone will maintain fully charged. 4 charging packs can provide an iPhone 8 about 9 hours of battery usage. Also, the charging station is a portable battery with 5,000 milliamperes. This is our magnetic charging cable, which supports fast charging due to maximum 2 amp currents. Now, let's see how FingerPal can help.
Yeah. Okay, I'm on the way right now.
This is Ting, a series of robots and toys, truly controlled by gesture and force.
Ting's gesture control power lies in the Ting gesture wristband. Easy to attach, with the wristband on, you will be the ultimate remote. After wearing the wristband, post a hand gesture and move your arm. The robot follows your movement and goes to the direction you are pointing at. It takes over all the behavior of robots and toys at your command. There's no other remote like this.
When we began on Ting, our aim is to make the user feel like a superpower beholder.
We don't limit the variety of hand gestures. You could be a Spider-Man, Iron Man, sharpshooter, or even express your feeling while controlling robots. Ting is a completely revolutionary robotic experience suitable for all ages, regardless of operational experience. The wristband also enables fine-grained control. The toy speeds up or slows down depending on the intensity of your gesture. There are even more ways to play waiting for you to discover. You can compete with a friend or even play with more than one toy using both hands. Ting is a brand new way to interact, bringing enjoyment, playability, and possibility. Together with Ting Gesture Wristband, we offer several connected robot and toys. A high-performance drone, a battling tank, or a high-imitation truck will be included. The developer version of Ting is offered to connect other robots, electronics, or anything else you desire.
We launched this project in 2016. Ting is designed with robot enthusiasts and excellent engineers.
We have finished the design, prototype, and final iteration. And together, we can drive the technology forward.
We need your support. So no matter who you are, we are making sure whoever opens the box finds a revolutionary, affordable, amazing, and fine robots.
We look forward to making with you the next revolution in robotics, the one and only Ting.
After all, we're always looking for opportunities to steal a moment. But why should you have to compromise your wallet and busy lifestyle to eat high-quality food? With the Nicewave Smart Sous Vide, you no longer have to. Finally, a more affordable Wi-Fi sous vide cooker that makes no compromises. Cooked the way gourmet restaurants have been for decades and create mouth-watering desserts, cocktails, appetizers, and entrees without culinary experience, gourmet markups, or needless time in the kitchen. The precision cooking of the Nicewave brings the same perfect results to your home, and only the Nicewave lets you schedule the exact time your meal finishes cooking. For the first time ever, you can have your meals how you want, when you want. Control the Nicewave remotely with the mobile app, or if you prefer, use the manual controls. The Wave is compact and still packs a punch. And of course, it's water resistant because why wouldn't it be? Sous vide is a cooking method which precisely heats and controls the temperature of water to cook your desired meal perfectly. You'll never over or undercook your meal again, whether it's a well done or medium rare steak, buttery or flaky salmon, firm or runny eggs, or anything in between. The incredibly easy to use mobile app controls your Wave and makes cooking simple. Just search through hundreds of community driven recipes like vegetables, pork, beef, and much more. Sort based on the ingredients in your fridge or based on your dietary restrictions. Once you have found a recipe you want to cook, first, set your ideal doneness and tenderness, medium rare steak or tender juicy chicken breast. Then, schedule your finish time, whether it's 6 p.m. after your job interview or right after your run. All our recipes are broken down into easy to follow steps. Once you place your food into any food grade bag, hit start and forget it. The adaptive temperature system automatically takes care of the rest. First, temperature rises to bring your food to your desired doneness. Then, the temperature adjusts to maintain protein quality based on your ideal tenderness and when you'd like to eat. Finally, right before you come home, your food heats to its perfect serving temperature. And if plans change?
Is the light through Bluetooth. With only one M stick, you can make various functions of light in your life. Start your day with M stick. Shake the M stick, it starts the timer again from the beginning. You don't have to keep watching your noodles to be done. Each category of the app has its own functional light settings, such as sound visualizer and selfie light. M-Stick will help you keep your working out time. By using your app data, M-Stick tells you today's weather. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. M-Stick has a G sensor, which is combined with accelerometer and gyro sensor. Especially with the sensor, M-Stick automatically makes its animations when you ride a bike or run like this. Also, control your M-Stick with your smartwatch. Write down the text or emoji or whatever you want into the After Effects app and enjoy the festival in various ways. M-Stick is an open hardware. We will open API soon, so you can make your own unique light and share it with your friends. We have spent days and nights to actualize the mobile app controls Smart Light M-Stick. To bring M-Stick to life, we need your support. Please back us, and we hope to hear about your experience with your light in your life.